Alright guys, so it's the next day here. I got the fenders out outside. I took them off the truck after test fitting them, and I actually bought them damaged a little bit from a used dismantler, so they're gonna need to be bondoed a little bit. As you guys can see, the bondo needs to go on the edges right here. The rest of the fender is perfectly fine, but the bondo, the damage from the previous truck was on the tips from, I guess, from the headlight hitting it, and also on this side, on this fender, left and right. Super minor damage, just needs a little bit of sanding and just some bondo work. So let's go ahead and sand this down and throw some bondo on there. So these were my old fenders from the original truck and the accident. This is what they look like. They're probably repairable, but I went ahead and just bought new ones with a lot less damage, so I don't have to worry about these fenders being bent and not fitting later, or even worse, being deformed, because that's what they look like. Same thing as well as that fender right there. I don't know why this fender is damaged, because this side was totally undamaged on the truck. I guess maybe when they were taking it off, they whoever took it off tried to yank the fender off. Yeah, and it cost me like 120 bucks. But I'm gonna take these badges off as well later. Replace them with the ones that with the fenders that I have, and you won't even know a thing that these were replaced. Also, I forgot to mention that we're gonna need paint, probably like a pint or a pint and a half to paint the fenders. So maybe gonna go ahead and try to get some paint, color match it with the old fenders, and try to get some paint for the new fenders. Not a professional, guys, so bear with me. Alright, now we wait about an hour, 30 minutes, an hour, let it dry, and then we can sand that after this. In the meantime, we can go get some paint and maybe color match even. Alright, just dropped the fender off. Cost me 53 bucks for, I believe, a pint. A pint is enough for 2 fenders, so yeah. guys, we're gonna go ahead and work on the inside, on the seats, on the dash. Basically clean the whole interior. Make this thing look brand new. Hopefully everything comes out and cleans out really well. There's a lot of trash, a lot of garbage in here. The condition of the inside is actually really good. Just really dirty. The guy, I guess probably was standing at the auction for a while, or the guy didn't really take care of it much. It looked like he did smoke, but the inside does not smell, which is really good. I'm pretty happy with it. But let's go ahead and clean all this crap out. Alright guys, I got a lot of work done today. It might not look like it, but with work and the virus going around, it's kind of hard to put out content right now, but yeah, so basically got the fenders all done, prepped for paint, got the inside all clean. Might need a little bit more on the seats, but overall the truck is looking really good. Next video is gonna be painting and assembling, and then we'll go from there. I'll let you guys know. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and let me know in the comments if you enjoyed my video. And yeah, peace.